Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. Have you ever wondered how to open a PDF file in Microsoft Word? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install Microsoft Word, if needed. Before we dive into opening PDF files in Word, make sure you have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. If you don't have it, you can download it from the official Microsoft website or purchase a license. Most computers come pre-installed with Word, so check your applications to see if you already have it. Step 2. Locate the PDF file. Next, find the PDF file that you want to open in Word. You can locate it in your files or desktop. Remember, the PDF file may contain complex formatting, images, and text, so the conversion might not be perfect. However, this method works great for simple text-based PDFs. Step 3. Opening the PDF in Word. Once you've located the PDF file, there is a way to open it in Word. Let's go through the option. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can use the Open function in Word. Open Microsoft Word. Click on File in the top left corner, then select Open. Navigate to the folder where your PDF file is stored. Choose the file and click on the Open button. Word will convert and open the PDF file for you. Step 4. Review and edit the converted document. Once Word has opened the PDF, take a moment to review the converted document. Check for any formatting issues or missing elements that may have been lost during the conversion. PDFs with complex layouts may not always convert perfectly, so be prepared to do some light editing if needed. Step 5. Save the document. Finally, after reviewing and editing your document, don't forget to save it. Click on File in the top left corner, then select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the document, give it a name, and select the format as Word document, *docs. Click Save to save your newly converted file. And that's it. You've successfully opened a PDF file in Microsoft Word. Now you can easily edit, format, and work with the content from your PDF documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy editing!